instead of software as a service, it's service as a software, which like for everybody out here in scalability land, where you're trying to figure out how to get more utility out of these tools. I think that's a huge and useful reframing for some of the stuff we will see in 25, where little categories of service stuff that you're used to either having teams of people do internally on your side, or that you're used to paying third parties to take on because it's outside of the specific skill set you want to build in your employees. Maybe that's stuff that startups will be built, or little initiatives inside of your business will take on to build the technologies that make it so you can turn that stuff into just software. And that implies the full set of problems associated with software, right? Like these now services, which are software, are not just human resources problems. How do I make sure that they actually do what they said they were going to do? How, what happens when somebody goes rogue and behaves in a bad way? You also now inherit all of the gnarly software problems. What happens if somebody compromises the interfaces that we're talking about? What happens if the software, the licensing changes and now I no longer have access to it? What if I end up in some sort of competitive situation with the vendor of that software? So those, I think for a lot of businesses, the evaluation process is going to get a lot more sophisticated as they have to sort of grapple with not just service management issues, but now software management.